How to log in to Genshin Impact account. So if you want to log in to Genshin Impact account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Genshin Impact. And after searching, here on the first search you will have account login. Click on that, and now it will take you to the login page. So first you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and then after entering your email address you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option. You can simply click on that, and then you can simply enter your username or email, and you will get a code, and then you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it, and then you have to click here so that you agree to the terms of service and the privacy policy. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go to register now, and then you can create your account. Or you can also log in using your social media like your Google, Apple, Facebook or Twitter. So to log in, simply enter your credentials, and then you can click on login. And that's it. That's how you log into your Genshin Impact account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.